Cold start, baby. Whew. Not as much ice as we thought we had out here. We wanted to fish like right there, but right under that tree was one hit with the spud bar. But we're gonna see what we have here. We're gonna set up, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the shack. And Cade is down there with 2 other buddies. So there's some bad spots, but it's been so cold you'd think we'd have more ice, but I think the snow just didn't help out. So haven't really told you guys what the plan is for today, but we're on a little channel. We're gonna be targeting some panfish, and yeah, we'll see what happens. We're gonna get set up. We're both up at 5:30, and right now for a time check, if I could find where I put my phone, right here, we got 7:44. So it took us a while to get out there. There's a mark. There we go. A little bluegill. Too small. Too small. Need a little bigger. Decent gill. You know, they say that, but it's never actually good. One's not bad though. Right here. This guy's gonna go to the fryer. Gonna be eating good today. We're gonna eat him, Cookie. Nice release on him. Hi, buddy. There we go. We're fishing the sewer plant.
How much ice is there?
4 inches. By Keenan's house, 4.5.
Okay.
By Ryan's house, probably 2.5.
I'll stay by Keita's.
Yeah, we are. Oh, what is going on, Henderson?
Hey, he's still hooked.
Look, we doubled up! Doubled up! I'm marking another one.
I mean, okay. Your methods are a little off with this one, but I mean, I respect it. I respect the catch.
Oh, Cookie got one. Oh, I got another one.
Yeah, I don't really want him because he's really small.
Oh my god!
Double, oh.
That was nuts! Dude, no looker!
Look at that, caught another slab. I don't think we're gonna keep him though. Back in the hole.
Oh. Man, look at that. I'm gonna catch it with my left hand, Cookie. Ready? Ready? Oh, hand line. Oh, that's a decent one.
Loading.
I dissected him.
Is he bad? I don't know. He's not bad.
Let me see.
He's okay.
We gotta realize what we keep, we eat. Oh yeah, that's a keeper.
Are you a keeper?
Yeah.
Let me show the relevance to the
Camera?
GoPro.
Say something too. Oh. Small, dude, small. Just like my
Friend.
Yeah, my
Don't
friend.
Get in that hole.
Yeah.
Where did that thing come from?
I hand-lined it.
Close the door! Deaf freaking monkey! Damn. Alright guys, Jacob has delivered me a message. Look. Look at this big hunk of meat. He's gonna add him to the collection.
There's so much water.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's why I'm not turning this heater on. 'Cause we gotta cook these fish. Lily River light breading. That's what we're rolling with today. Or whatever it's in.
See the
Well, no,
breading,
we started
the
sauce.
breading song. Let's heat up a little bit more.
Do the honors. Take a little chomp out of it.
I mean, like, what, the big piece?
Anything you want. You choose.
This is the most visibly appealing one right here.
Rate it.
Take that off now.
1 through 10.
Like a 6.
Okay.
No
not that
seasoning.
bad.
That's your fault.
Cade, take a little chomp out of it.
Same piece.
Same piece?
That one. Same way. Okay.
Out of 10.
Kind of burnt my tongue.
I don't know what you're
Yeah,
talking
you
about.
can-
That's like an 8 or a 9.
No, it's
Especially
not.
because you're on the
There's no
ice,
damn
dude.
seasoning.
No, that's good.
All right, guys. So we just got done eating. That was a nice process. The big camera might be dead right now, but it's charging. We're gonna probably fish to dark. What time is it, Keenan? You know?
1 o'clock-ish?
1 o'clock-ish. Probably gonna fish to dark. See what we can do. So stay tuned. Should be good.
I turned this heater on, so hopefully we don't. God, I can't even get my thing down because my line's so messed up.
They're just little guys though.
It's alright. Little guys are better. Here we go.
They aren't afraid of the bait, let me tell you.
got here?
That
Oh,
one's not
yeah.
bad.
Don't be scared to show the camera, too.
That's pretty long. That one's a lengthy fucker.
Spiky. Here we go, right there. Small one. Send him down the hatch. He was hungry. He raced up right for it. So basically, got out this morning. Took us a while to figure things out. Didn't it, Cookie?
Did.
Then we got a little silly, and we decided to cook up some lunch. Now we're gonna get back, catch some more fish, have a good time. I'm actually gonna close up this one too.
I don't want no glares.
Yeah. Yeah, nobody likes the glare. Those ones are good though. Oh, I'm gonna hit right here. 3, 2, 1, and that was not bad for a countdown. What do we got? There we go. There's another one. Another decent gill.
Good boy.
Down the hatch. Oh! Yo, okay, that was too close.
Hold on to your.
What? That is
That's
on
on camera.
camera. Yo, that's on. Oh shit.
4K?
I swear this thing is just focused on Cookie.
4K? Yeah, that's because I'm the
Cookie was
I'm the main character.
Just lift and walk up. 3, 2, 1. Cold start, baby. Whew.